Okay, just one thing kind of quickly, and maybe you guys have already come across this, but when you get into some of the further questions, you need a tool pack that's in Excel. Have you guys come across that yet, where I explain that or anything? Okay, it's going to be coming up, and so I kind of want to run through it. It's probably in one of my videos too for some of the problems when you get there, but you're definitely going to need it here soon. And what you need to do is open up Excel, okay, that you use all the time, okay, or if you forget and you're opening it up someplace else, whatever it might be, you come to File, come down to Options, and I think that's over too far, there we go. And then on the left-hand side here, it says Add-ins. You click on that. Down here at the bottom, it's got a bunch of stuff up here that we'll have. But down here at the bottom, it says Manage, and we want to manage this, the Excel add-ins. So if it's not what's on there, go ahead and click and make sure that's on there. And hit Go. Okay. Make sure that this Analysis Tool Pack is checked. Okay, in mine it already is, but yours may not be. Okay, so make sure that's checked. Okay, and then you click OK. What that will do when you come up here and you hit Data, it brings up this. It says Data Analysis over here. Okay. You're definitely going to need that as you get along through some of these problems when we start doing some regression, some of the hypotheses and whatnot. Okay, some of the different things. So, okay. So as we go along, if you get to something and I'm explaining something and maybe it's not making sense because you don't know where it's at, that's where it would be. If you click on it, if you haven't done it, and you click on Data, you'll see that this doesn't show up unless you've added in that tool pack. Okay, so make sure you do that. I had a question from one student, a question or maybe even a request we could call it, and I'll ask you guys, kind of see what you think, but the comment was, if we staggered the due dates for the exercises versus the quiz, it might make it easier, because then you could see, you know, after the due date passes, you could go back. Let's say we did the quiz first, made it due on Thursday instead of Sunday, just as an example. You'd finish the quiz, and then you could go back and look at the results. And would that help you then do the exercises that are coming up? Or we could do that vice versa. Anybody got any comments on that?
Which one are they both worth the same amount of points?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I think that's the way I have it set up, is that the quiz, I have to look at the syllabus for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's an equal point thing, so yeah. Do you think that that would be at all helpful? Now the downside is one of them is going to be due obviously a little bit earlier than the other one. Instead of Sunday, it'd be due like Thursday or whatever. Probably Thursday would be a good day.
I think it would be helpful to see the results, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one would you like to see first then? Have due first, the quiz or the exercises? Exercises?
Yeah, I can live with that.
Okay. I'll make that change then. I'll try to go through. It'll take me a while. I'll do the first few weeks. It might take me a while to get all of them set up that way. But I'll try to do that then, so that the exercises are due on Thursday night. A good night then? Because we'd be here on Tuesday and Thursday for class. Hopefully you'd have them done in class, and then you'd have the quiz left to do. Okay? Okay. That was a good request then, and I'll make that happen. So thank you. That's all I got. You guys are turned loose and